Breaking news, ladies and gentlemen. Popular promoter Toto British has been gunned down in Clarendon. It's a breaking news, ladies and gentlemen. Greetings in the name of the Most High, Emperor Haile Selassie I the First and Empress Menen the Balance. Ladies and gentlemen, you know I'm Rastafari, so and if this is your first time tuning in, I'm asking you, hit that red subscribe button, leave your comment, ladies and gentlemen, cause it's getting grim every day. It's a morning situation, gloom and dissented over the entire social media, ladies and gentlemen, on Saturday afternoon when it emerged that the popular promoter, and businessman Toto British was gunned down. And he was gunned down in Birby district in, Palmetto Pen in an area near Maypen in Clarendon on Friday night. A woman was shot and injured in the fatal incident. British, whose real name is Ian Ellington, was residing in Hunts Pen, Clarendon, at the time of his death. He's also have resided for several years in Cayman, for where he has been integral in the several local musical act performance in the country, ladies and gentlemen. Reports for Maypen police are that about 11:15 p.m. on Friday, residents heard a loud explosion in the Beardy district and summoned the police. Ellington and a woman who was said to be his company were found suffering from gunshot wounds. They were taken to the hospital where Ellington was pronounced dead and the woman was hospitalized. Others reports suggested that Ellington was found slumped over the steering wheel while in the motor car suffering from multiple gunshot wounds. The woman managed to escape the car but was reportedly shot while making her escape. Ellington also operated a transportation business which he rent bus as a businessman and was working on completing his home in Clarendon. As news hit the social media, ladies and gentlemen, especially on Instagram, on Saturday, it was evident that persons were shocked by the promoter's death. R.I.P. Daddy, wrote Ellington's daughter on her Instagram page as she uploaded several photographs and videos of her and her father. One Instagram user, Too Sweet Tanya 2, encouraged the grieving daughter to pray. Priceless pictures, hon. His memories will live on with you. I know a part of your house is gone when he died, but God will give you an arm. Sorry for your loss. Can see he really loves you. And the same you. Just pray. God answers prayer, okay? She stated. Stay strong, hon. My condolences to you and your family, wrote Deirdre. Another Instagram, Clark3788, commented, John, no dog. Can't believe say me I see you in a news headline. Rich Girl 87 wrote, long live Toto British, who work hard for what him have, and them just kill him so. You know deserve this, My heart a break star. Me refuse to believe this. The Maypen police are continuing their investigation as developments continue. Yo, people, I'm sick and tired of seeing all these young men and women being wiped out in my island, Jamaica. Me not like it at all, and it is time. We've been saying this for years, that we get some justice, and justice can only come from the law. Justice cannot come in any vendetta or in a reprisal act. Justice have to come from the law. And the law is the people, are the people. that are supposed to provide a safe community for each other. But what I realize and notice, we are backbiting, backstabbers, evil, envious, friend killers. It's unfortunate that Toto British had to become one of the statistics in the crime-ridden area of Clarendon. People, this now gonna stop right now. We need some divine intervention in a Jamaica, yeah. It's hard enough. People can hardly find food for eat. And them a give man copper and lead in the streets.